Hello to all. In last video lecture we see the Zener diode avalanche breakdown and Zener breakdown. Now we see the ideal model and ideal characteristics curve of Zener diode. As shown in a slide, here the ideal model of Zener diode, where the ideal characteristics curve of Zener diode is also shown in a slide. The practical model and ideal characteristics curve of Zener diode is zero, and it is where the ideal characteristics of Zener diode where ZZ is equal to del Vz upon del Iz, where the Zener diode applications are the Zener regulation with varying input voltage is as shown in a slide. The Zener diode application is the Zener regulation where the input voltage vary with Zener regulation. Power supply, as the input voltage increases, the output voltage remains constant. Izk is less than Iz is less than Izm. As the input voltage decreases, the output voltage remains constant. The Zener limiting diode. Zener diodes can be used in AC applications to limit voltage swings to desired levels. Vz is equal to Zener voltage, Vd is equal to diode voltage, Vd is equal to 0.7 volt. Vin input voltage, the resistance is connected to the input voltage and the output voltage is Zener diode. After that, the resistance input is Vin, output is the diode which is connected in reverse direction, where the Vd is equal to diode voltage and Vd is equal to 0.7 volt. The numerical of Zener diodes. The Zener diode which is anode terminal is connected to the cathode, and the first Zener diode cathode terminal is connected to the second Zener diode's anode terminal. The input supply voltage is 10 volt, having a resistance is 1 kilo ohm, and the Zener diode is 3.3 volt. At the output of Zener diode, voltage is 3.3 volt. A Zener diode exhibits a certain change in Vz for a certain change in Iz on a portion of the linear characteristics curve between Izk and Izm. The Zener diode impedance Zz is equal to del Vz upon del Iz is equal to 50 millivolt upon 5 mA is equal to 10 ohm. The temperature coefficient of Zener diode is specifies the percentage change in Zener voltage for each degree centigrade change in the temperature. For example, a 12 volt Zener diode with a positive temperature coefficient of 0.01% per degree Celsius will exhibit a 1.2 millivolt increase in Vz when the junction temperature increases 1 degree centigrade. The formula for calculating the change in Zener voltage for a given junction temperature change for a specified temperature coefficient is del Vz is equal to Vz into Tc into del T, where Vz is the normal Zener voltage at 25 degrees Celsius when temperature coefficient is expressed in millivolt per degree Celsius. Del Vz is equal to Tc into del T. An 8.2 volt Zener diode has a positive temperature coefficient of 0.05 degrees Celsius percentage per degree Celsius. What is the Zener voltage at 60 degrees Celsius? The change in Zener voltage is del Vz is equal to Vz into Tc into del T. The 8.2 volt into 0.05% per degree Celsius. दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये 60 degree minus 25 degrees Celsius, 8.2 volt in one bracket, in second bracket 0.0005 per degree Celsius into 35 degrees Celsius. Del Vz is equal to 144 millivolt. Notice that 0.05% degree Celsius was converted to 0.0005 per degree Celsius. The Zener voltage at 60 degree Celsius is Vz plus del Vz is equal to 8.2 volt plus 144 millivolt is equal to 8.34 volt. The Zener diode voltages, as well as producing a single stabilized voltage output, Zener diodes can also be connected together in series along with normal silicon signal diode to produce a variety of different reference voltage output values. The values of the individual Zener diodes can be chosen to suit the application, while the silicon diode will always drop about 0.6 to 0.7 volt in the forward bias condition. The supply voltage Vin must of course be higher than the largest output reference voltage. The summary of Zener diode is: a Zener diode is always operated in its reverse bias condition. A voltage regulator circuit can be designed using a Zener diode to maintain a constant DC output voltage across the load in spite of variations in the input voltage or changes in the load current. The Zener voltage regulator consists of a current limiting resistor Rs connected in series with the input voltage Vs, with the Zener diode connected in parallel with the load RL. In the reverse bias condition, the stabilized output voltage is always selected to be same as breakdown voltage Vz of the diode. Thank you.